Welcome to the Injective Ecosystem News Roundup. Here are the top stories in Injective in the first half of February. Launch of the first ever OMNICHAIN domain name service. The Injective and Solana ecosystems further unified. Learn the details in this episode. HELIX listings, first on-chain DEX to feature the Japanese yen and several major perps and spot listings. Injective ecosystem updates, Hydro, DojoSwap, exotic markets, out app, and more. New Injective dApps, tech updates, milestones, events, and much more in this episode. And now for today's top stories. The Injective and Solana ecosystems are further unified with the launch of the first ever OMNICHAIN domain name service. Users are now able to transact across Injective and Solana using the same domain. And this means that all Solana users can now onboard onto Injective more seamlessly than any other L1. Thanks to inEVM, the developer experience and collaboration had already been enhanced between Solana and Injective, and now Solana and Injective are further unified with the OMNICHAIN domain name service. For example, users can use INJ to obtain .sol domains, and then they can use the same domain across Solana or Injective dApps by bridging the domains across both ecosystems. This unification of Solana and Injective is enhanced further since Phantom, the most popular Solana wallet, is also integrated in the Injective ecosystem, and Phantom can be used to access the Injective hub and popular Injective dApps such as Mito or HELIX. Injective continues to achieve impressive milestones with unique delegates approaching 200,000. This is a great achievement, given that in less than 1 month, over 100,000 new users started staking INJ. In addition, the 60 million blocks produced milestone was also achieved with consistent sub-second block times. Active addresses also had a major growth recently with almost 400,000 active addresses. Injective continues to achieve milestones with lightning, fast speed, and nearly zero cost thanks to the recent gas compression upgrade. HELIX released a major announcement with the launch of the Japanese yen or a JPY Forex pair. This launch is possible in collaboration with the FX market leader Cables. HELIX has now become the first on-chain DEX to feature JPY, meaning that users can now trade this tokenized version of the Japanese yen, which is one of the most traded fiat currencies. HELIX announced the launch of several new perpetual futures, or perps markets, including AVAX, SWI, SOL, OB, ARB, Osmo, Doge, Link, and more. Several new spot markets were also launched on HELIX, including Dojo/INJ, ANDR/USDT, and HINJ/INJ. The NINJ token is Hydro Protocol's liquid staking derivative token for INJ. Great progress for Hydro with impressive TVL, unique wallets, and volume milestones. Shortly after launch, over 13,000 unique wallets participated in Hydro's web app. Also, the $100 million in a TVL milestone was achieved, and over 1.5 million INJ was staked with Hydro. Hydro is focused on liquid staking with the LST HINJ, and the utility of HINJ is expected to significantly increase given the growth rate of Hydro. Exotic Markets is focused on option and derivatives infrastructure, and they recently announced their mainnet launch on Injective, which means the first decentralized options infrastructure on Injective. Exotic Markets is now offering option and derivatives infrastructure on both Injective and Solana. During the initial phases, the entry for Exotic Markets will be exclusive and with white listing for priority access for Exo Ninjas, INJ Ninjas, pass holders, and NFT owners. Exotic Markets mentioned that options trading on Injective will be gradually open to more users. Out app announced their mainnet launch on Injective. Out is a socialfied dApp built on Injective and is focused on community and users with a focus on rewarding quality and valuable content. DojoSwap announced the Injective airdrop platform. The goal is to list all the major airdrops within the Injective ecosystem. Users can check their airdrop calendar, which will be updated with all the new available airdrops. DojoSwap mentioned that 2 airdrops are confirmed: Punk and Baby Dojo, and 2 more lined up in a few weeks. Moreover, DojoSwap said their aim is to be the supporting platform for Injective projects to issue airdrops. Eric Chen, a co-founder of Injective Labs, was announced as an Ethereum Denver 2024 speaker. Injective is sponsoring this event, and in addition, Injective is hosting 2 great side events. Ninjas, remember to register for the Injective Happy Hour on March 1st and for the Injective Builder Brunch on March 2nd. Ninjas, remember that the Ninjas Masters Ambassador Program consists of 5 rankings, starting from Ninja, then Warrior, Knight, Lord, and Master. If you're already ranked as Ninja or Warrior, what are the benefits for raising higher in the rankings? You could get early access to Injective ecosystem projects or receive INJ monthly token rewards among several other benefits. There are different tasks that you could do related to content creation and education, community management, events, and more. With each complete task, you can earn points, and with more points, you can increase your ranking and unlock additional rewards. And that is all for today's Injective Ecosystem Bi-weekly review. So if you enjoyed Ninjas, remember to click that like button, subscribe button, and bell icon too. If you'd like to support our Injective content, please consider staking some INJ with us, Cosmic Validator. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you ninjas very soon in the next episode.